Have you ever wondered what's the difference between a business credit card and a business line of credit? And which option is really better for you? Now, we get this question all the time from our clients and subscribers. So in this video, I'm breaking down those differences to give you all the information you need to decide which option's right for your business. So first thing to do is to define what makes up an actual business credit card. Business credit cards are a type of revolving credit that you can use to make purchases for your business without it appearing on your personal credit report. It doesn't even affect your personal credit report. The main advantage of business credit cards is that they have 0% interest rates from anywhere from 6 months all the way up to 22 months at 0%. So every monthly payment goes directly to the principal when in the 0% period. So these cards are unsecured, meaning they don't require you to put up assets as collateral, and they offer additional perks like travel rewards and cash back on purchases, bookkeeping integration, and free employee cards. Having perks like these are paramount to any business because you're using the credit for everyday operational expenses that you'd make regardless. So it's a huge benefit to get some money back or travel perks just for using your card. If you want to see a video breaking down the perks and rewards that come with using business credit cards, go ahead and like this video to let us know, and I'll go ahead and make a future video about that specifically. So now that we've defined business credit cards, let's talk about business lines of credit. A business line of credit is a financing option offered by lenders that you can borrow from up to an approved amount and pay back once you've used it, much like a credit card. So applying for a line of credit can be a great move for a business with irregular cash flow needs. With it, you'll have access to the funds whenever you need them. Approvals tend to be higher than for business credit cards, and you won't have any restrictions on how you use the money. But don't discount business credit cards just yet, because at the end of this video, I'll tell you how to get around these hurdles to secure the highest approvals for business cards without the disadvantages of a line of credit. Speaking of disadvantages, when you take out a line of credit, your payments are separated into both interest and principal each month until the loan's paid off. So it'll take longer to pay off what you owe. Not to mention, the interest rates vary from 4.5% to literally 45%, which is just absurd. So lenders decide where you fall within that range using the following factors: your business and personal credit history, depending on how established your business credit report is, and features of the loan, along with characteristics of your business and the interest rates in the broader economy. You may be able to start with a decent interest rate, but those rates can increase at any time. So there's uncertainty there compared to a business credit card that you know will be a zero interest card for 6 to 22 months. Then you also have to factor in the collateral requirements. If you want a lower interest rate, you must lower the risk for the lender, which means you have to risk more of your money and assets. Approvals for business lines of credit can average up to $100,000, with a few lucky businesses getting all the way up to $250,000 from these lenders. Now, the main appeal is that you can use it for purchases where business credit cards aren't accepted. But I'm about to give you the secret to getting the best of both worlds. And you can get the benefits of a business line of credit, so the high approvals and spending flexibility with the benefits of a business credit card. And the benefits are 0% interest rates, rewards, and cash back, and no collateral requirements. So I actually recorded an entire masterclass on this subject that teaches you how to access up to $250,000 of this 0% introductory interest unsecured business credit. It's a safe credit. So I'll link this video for you folks in the description, but let's give you a quick crash course here. So a lot of people don't know the rules and the criteria that the lenders look for when it comes to getting approved for business credit. So they apply and either get declined or they get a $2,000 or $5,000 approval, usually something small like that. But by knowing what the lenders look for, which we cover in our masterclass, you can make sure your applications stand out to them. And then you start racking up $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 approvals, and that's just on one card alone. Now you start doing the credit card stacking process and you start getting approvals like these from multiple lenders, and before you know it, you've got $150,000 to $250,000 of this type of business capital. And the lenders are looking for specific credit profiles, specific numbers and types of accounts on your credit profile. They're looking for a certain entity setup and age of your business entity. Business credit lenders are very specific in what they're looking for. And the problem is, they won't ever tell applicants what they want to see. So it puts you and your business at a huge unfair disadvantage. That's why this masterclass is so important for entrepreneurs, because it helps you overcome these hurdles and confidently submit your business application knowing you'll be approved. So be sure to check it out. You'll learn how to access up to $250,000 of zero interest unsecured business credit and learn all those specifications the lenders look for so you can get approved for the funding your business needs. I've linked the video below in the description, so be sure to head over there and check it out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.